Jude, sit. Good boy. What now? Are you recording? What is it? Hello, nice to meet you. It's a bit crazy. You mixed something with the bath water. Hi.
I think he swallowed a bit of some soap.
I can imagine if he had a tongue what kind of things he would tell me. What? That's great. Duke, where's your pillow? I'm afraid it's gonna scratch my face. Where's your pillow, Duke? Where is it? Now looking. What's your problem? What's your problem? Hi. Where's your pillow, jerk? Is this nice? Nice. Like, are you
Play with them, Ben. Your hands.
Just trying to find the pillow. It doesn't sound like anything. He's not even grabbing my hand.
Cheers. Oh, just don't let him bite you.
He is not gonna bite me now. He's like... He's not biting me with the music. Are you biting, Mama? Stop it. Stop it. Juke. Where is your blanket? Where is your pillow? Huh? Look for it. Where is your pillow? He's looking for it now. Where's your pillow, Juke? Where's your pillow? Where's your pillow? Where's your pillow? Find your pillow. Find it. Find the pillow, Jude. Where's the pillow? Where's the pillow, Jude? Where's the pillow? Where is your pillow? Huh? What is it? Where is it, Jude? Where is it? Yeah, that's your pillow. Good boy. That's the pillow. Good boy. I don't know what you understand by pillow, but... No, nothing. He's a bit disturbed. So. Gorgeous. Just put something in his mind and he's gonna find. Yes,
No,
that's
he's
the
look-
pillow, Juke.
He's looking for something else, though. He thinks he has to look for something else.
Mm-hmm. I think so too.
Calm down, boy. Easy.
It's alright. Come here. Come here, boy. It's okay. What is it, baby? What is it? Then use kiss. He's not happy. Goody. What is it, boy? What's happening? Oh, Juke. Are you crazy, boy? Eh.
Quiet.
Are you angry?
Quiet.
Look at him.
Shh.
No, he's sitting like a soldier.
What's up? Hey?
He's trying to look for something. He
Yeah, I
can't.
know. He's looking for his toy or something. That's really what he thought
You
you
want
were.
a toy?
You know, Teddy? Where's
Want
Teddy?
He looks so angry, especially.
Truly? His face like he's actually like. What are you talking about?
It's like, you really made me angry now. He's so
Okay.
upset too.
Look at his bum. He's scratching his bum. It's itchy.
Oh, yeah, maybe. What is it, Duke? Huh? What is it?
Maybe he has to do number 2.
That's why it's scratching people. Attack me! Duke, you're so weird. You're so
We're
weird.
stuck in the room here. It's like, what's going on? It's just so weird.
Maybe he wants us to get out of the bed.
Yeah, I think so. Shh, quiet.
Really? You don't overhear him.
Who's
I'm
that bite?
afraid. Dude, I'm scared. Dude, I'm scared, boy.
No.
Don't attack me.
What's wrong? Hey?
It seems like he's gonna jump like a... He's not happy. Duke, you want your teddy? Huh? Want your
Don't
teddy?
even tease him anymore.
Because I will let him go.
Open the door. See where he wants to go.
Want your teddy, Duke?
See where he wants to go.
Go find Teddy. Where is it? Where's Teddy, Duke?
Honey, just don't say anything. See what he wants.
Alright.
It's not even in here. I think it's probably even outside. Let's look, it's over there. What's that?
Good boy.
What's this?
Are you happy, boy? Yes, he is. Duke, are you so happy? Look at how happy he is. He's so happy, Duke. Really, to me, boy.
He wants to play. Play with him. Yeah. Oh.
His brother came back from the army. Come here. Bring it, bring it, bring it. Bring it. Oh, Mama. Come What did I do to you?
What happened to you, mate?
Oh, I'm very scared. Oh. We put something wrong in the bathtub.
Oh, dude, easy.
Bring it. Bring it. Bring it today. Bring it today now. Oh, good boy. Drop it. Drop it. Good boy. Wait. Go get it. He's trying to...
Don't throw him near the wall. He's going to smash his head in the wall.
He's entertaining himself. What? You're my horsey boy. Oh, it's really crazy today. What's happening, boy? Hey,
He's got a lot of energy, eh? Look how massive he is. Easy.
Just in time. Ooh, do. Easy. Duke, stop. Sit. Just sit. Just sit. Good boy. Paw. Well, this is your paw, this is the other one.
2 in 1.
Cool.
It's like this one, other one, same.
This one, other